Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope that you guys are doing okay. Okay, so today we will have um alphabetical order. So our lesson is the alphabetical order and our grade is the grade 1. So subject is English language arts. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is log in using the aplusstudent.com. Okay, so log in using the aplusstudent.com. Then you click on your name, you go on to grade 1, and then from grade 1, you would choose the lesson alphabetical order. Actually, the lesson alphabetical order is at the last part. So that's actually the last lesson from our grade 3. So you scroll up down until you get to the end and you click on alphabetical order. Okay. Okay, so after clicking on the lesson, we have two lessons there. We have the first one, which would be put the letters in ABC order, and the next one would be put the words in ABC order. Okay, so in general, this would just be all about arranging the letters according to the alphabet. So arranging it. Hi everyone on the chart. It's good to see you guys again. So, in general, it is just all about arranging the alphabet, okay? So, you could have a question and you just have to make sure that you put it in order and you know which one comes first, which one comes next, which one comes second, okay? So, but first of all, we will have to write down our alphabet here. So, let's write down our alphabet. Hi. Okay, so first of all, we will just write down our alphabet. So the first alphabet. Okay, so first we have the A, B, C, D. Okay, so we all have our alphabet. Now, from this lesson, we will have to be able to identify which one comes first, which one comes next. Okay, so let's say that we have the word apple. We have also maybe jump. We have run. And we have sun. So we have like different words here, right? So if we are putting the letters in alphabetical order, we have to check the words and we have to be able to figure out which one comes first, okay? So we will look at our alphabet. From the alphabet, we have A, so apple comes first. And then what else? We have to look. Does R come before the J or does J comes before R? So from the alphabet, we also have J here. So we have jump next, right? And after that, we have to check as well. What else? Is it R or S first? Okay, so we have the run next. And then we also have um okay. So after the R, we have S, which is sun. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's it. That is what we mean when we say put the letters in ABC order. Okay, so These are all the alphabets, right? And when you're putting in ABC order, you have to make sure that it's all arranged. Which alphabet comes first, which one comes next. We know that when we have A, the next will be B. And let's say we have O, the next will have to be P, like that. Moving on, okay? So it's arranged alphabetically, okay? So let's move on to this part. This is our first lesson, which is put the letters in ABC order. So we have this here. So we have this here, which is the alphabet. Okay. Okay. So we have the alphabet here, and it says to put the letters in ABC order, follow the order of the alphabet. So, like I've said, you have to make sure that you follow the order in which the alphabet comes. You have to put the right alphabet in order. Okay, so put the letters in ABC order. Now you have these letters here, and you have to make sure that you arrange them. So you're gonna ask yourself which one comes first. Does Y comes before A or H? Okay, so you see that A comes first, and from our alphabet, we see that H is the next, and after the H, we have Y. Y is the next. Okay, so that's how you arrange it in alphabetical order. All right, so also when we come to this part, it says to put the letters in ABC order, and we have K, G, H. Now, which of the alphabet comes first? So you have to make sure that you arrange them accordingly. So from our alphabet, we have G first. So we know that G comes first. And then the next one, yes. The next one we have H, and then we have K. All right, so this is the order in which the alphabet comes. Okay, so that's it for like this particular first lesson. It's just all about figuring out the right alphabet where it should be. If you're not certain, you have to make sure that you write down your alphabet. Okay, write down your alphabet, and then you can look at all the alphabets carefully, and then you choose the one that comes first or the one that comes second. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the test. You can send in your answers on the chat. Okay. So look at this alphabet here. Let's see which one comes first. We have NCH. So you can tell me on the chat which one comes first. Okay. So you tell me on the chat box which one comes first. So tell me on the chat which one should be our answer. Look at the questions and give me the answer. So option one, okay, that's good. So it's gonna be C because from our alphabet C comes first. So if you click on this, you see that is wrong. Exactly. So option one cannot be correct. N doesn't come before H. Okay? In your alphabet, you have the H first before the N. So be careful when you choose your answer. It might look like it's similar or it might look like confusing. But like I've said, just make sure that you write down your alphabets like this. So looking at our alphabets, we have the C, we have H, we have N. So C comes first, then H, and then N. So be careful, okay? So it's C, H, N. Okay, let's move on. And besides, if you get anything wrong, you can just scroll down and see the correction and see why it was wrong. There's no need to start all over again. Just go down. So look at this one. You can tell on the chat which one is the right answer. So tell me which of this is the correct answer. Which one is the correct answer? So looking at this, we have GSW. This is the correct one because G comes first, followed by S, then W. And then over here, put the letters in ABC order. Which one comes first here? Which of this? You can tell me in the chat which one comes first. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me. Let's see. Okay, wait, just a moment. So we have EPL, so it has to be E, then L, and P. Okay, so E comes first, then L, then P. Okay, okay. So what about this one? We have MJE. So let's see which is the correct one here. Which is the correct one here? Which one is in the right alphabetical order? Which is the one arranged in the correct alphabetical order? So which is arranged in the right alphabetical order? Mm-hmm. So it has to be E because E comes before J and M. Okay? So we have E, we have J, we have M. Okay? So we have Q, K, B. Which one is in the right ABC order here? Have a look. Let's see. Which is in the right ABC order? So option one, yeah, because we have B, K, Q. So B comes first. And then what about this one? Let's have a look at this. Put the letters in ABC order. We have G O E. Which one comes first? Which one comes first? Which one comes first? So we have option one, correct. So this one we have ZTN. Which one comes first? Which one comes first? So have a look. Let's see. Mm-hmm. So we have NTZ. So NTC. So N comes first. So next we have this one, EAF. So of course A comes before any other alphabet. So A first, okay? Okay. Okay, so that's it for the first lesson. You have to complete this lesson if you've not done it, and then we'll move on to the next lesson under this chapter. So we'll move on to the next one. Puts the words in ABC order. Okay. Okay. So this one says to put the words in ABC order. So now we're putting the words in an order. Okay. So we have the alphabet, of course. Then look at the first letter of each word, then see where it goes in the alphabet. Okay? So you have to look at the first letter of every word and see the right way that it should go in. Okay? Okay, so we have some words here. The first one is once, friend, children. Okay? So we have to look at the first letter of each word. Which one comes first? O, F, and C. So you have to make sure you figure out the right order. So we have C, of course. From our alphabet, you can see the C here. Then F, where is F? Here. And the O is here. So that means children would be first, friend next, then ones. Okay? So that's the right ABC order. Okay? Okay, so we have zoo, painted, and then we have feet. So from our alphabet, we can see that F is first, then P and C. So we have feet, then we have painted. So painted next, and then we have zoo. Okay, so yeah, that's the right order. You have to go with F first, P, then C. Okay. So for this particular lesson, you just have to make sure that you look at the words and then you see the right order in which they come in. So yeah, okay, we have put the words in ABC order. We have eyes, last, cookie. So which one comes first? You have to put the word in the right ABC order. So which one comes first? Is it eyes, last, cookie? Which one? So in our alphabet, we have C first, of course, and we have I, and then we have the L. So it's cookie, eyes, and last. So zoo painted feet. This was in our this was in our tutorial. So F comes first, then painted, and then zoo. Z is the last letter in the alphabet. Okay, we have under every sitting. So which of these letters come first? You have to check carefully. We have um, E, we have E, we have U, and S. So which one comes first? So obviously E will come first, and then here S is next, then U. So every sitting order. So this one. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so we have varying each dog. Which of this alphabet comes first? D comes first, then E and vary. Okay, so yeah, you can send in your answers on the chat as well. Okay, so we have this one. Let's try to make it interactive. You can send in your answers. Okay, so we have if how it fits. So I'll wait for your answers now. Send me your answers on the chart. Let's see. Okay, so can you guys send me your answers on the chart? Okay, no talking about games. Okay, so we have feet, then I and O. So option two, correct. Okay, so for this one, we have go, road, and jump. GRJ. So tell me in the chat which one comes first. Is it the first or the second? Which one comes first? So which one comes first? So we have G first. Okay, so this one also, milk is okay. So milk is then leave. So which of this alphabet comes first? So we have um I here. So between the M and the L, which one comes first? So which one comes first? So the L comes before the M. So we have school, doors, and then just. So which one comes first? D, of course. So we have D for both. But between the S and the J, which one comes first? So we have what? J, right? Because S comes after. So it is D, J, S. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lesson. I want you guys to make sure that you complete the remaining questions from this lesson. If you're yet to do it, please complete it. So please complete the lesson and we'll see you again in the next class. I hope that you guys have a good evening and see you guys soon again. Bye guys.